Hey, Brisa, let me just end this and then we'll... Okay. All right, so this is a quick screen recording for you for your project, just to go over what we just talked about. So here we are. Once you get linked up to our organizational account and logged in, it should look something like this. You'll go to the map button or tab, whatever it is. And this is where you'll start adding that data. So you can see I still have that promise stuff in there. Let's go to a new map. Just so we can go through the process again. So what I did was, to find that promise zone, I went to add, search for layers, and then I changed it from my content to ArcGIS Online, and then I searched for San Diego promise zones, and this is the one I used, so you just click on that plus sign to add it in, and so it'll show up on your map. We can then go back to ArcGIS Online and search for San Diego land use. We used that public land ownership one before. I'm just seeing if there's anything else we could look at. Publicly owned parcels. Anyway, so I'm going to use this, where did that go, that parcels one? I wonder what that looks like. It's probably the exact same thing. So why don't I just pick our public land ownership. I'm just going to click that add button in again. You could go for schools, you could go for parks, you could go for, let's see if there's vacant, San Diego vacant. Current vacant lots. Let's add that in. Why not, right? UCSD Online? Sure, let's do it. Sounds great. I don't know where let's see what this is. Just some random person at UCSD. So this is coming right off the San Diego Planning Department, so it's coming off their land use data, so they already did the selection out of that big data set that you maybe saw in ArcGIS Online. So this is, as of March 14th, vacant lots in San Diego. Actually, let me go back so you could see that search again. So I just searched San Diego vacant and picked one of these. This is the historical, this is current. I'm using the current. So I'm going to turn off the public land ownership. And this is where you would start to see, so we're just looking at those vacant lands. Maybe that would be a good idea for the community gardens as well. So we can click on that analysis button, find locations, select existing features in your study area that meet a series of criteria you specify. This criteria can be added. See, it should be this one though. This is what I know. Let me just pause this video so you don't have to listen to it. All right, so let me show that query to you. So what I did was I went to analysis, I went to find locations, find existing locations. So we want to see the vacant lots, current vacant lots. And I said add expression San Diego current vacant lots. I changed it to completely within. And I changed it to San Diego promise zone. And then I clicked add. And then I changed the results layer name to I don't know what I call the other one. And then, oopsies, we'll just make sure our promise zone is nice and centered in our window here. And hit run analysis. So you can kind of see, slow down here so you can look at everything. And we'll hit run analysis. So I'm going to pause it because it took a minute or two. Okay, so we can see that my new layer has added. I'm going to turn off San Diego current vacant lots. And you'll see you just have those vacant lots within the promise zone, which is, I think, a better use. So these are vacant lots that who knows what's there, but it's vacant and undeveloped. And you could maybe, if there's like a building there, bulldoze it and put in a community garden. Maybe some of these close to the schools would be good because then the kids can help do that. Dig plants and things. So then you could, you could do a couple more things. It doesn't give you the area of these parcels, but you could add in a field area. Area type is double. And then calculate. We're going to use SQL because I don't know how to use that. So we want to do area equals shape area. Calculate. I wonder what unit this is, because that seems large. It almost seems like it's square feet. Let's go to, and I guess I could have you investigate this type of stuff, but I'm just curious now. I wonder if it almost seems like it's square feet, but I don't know. Oh, shoot. Maybe we should do area. Anyway, you could investigate to figure out what that is, or you could just say things like, you could change the symbology of this if you want to something brighter. I don't know. You can mess around with that. You could identify specific parcels that you think would be most interesting. Whatever you want to do. Anyway, I think this would work better, but hopefully either way it gives you a good idea of the analysis tools you can use.